Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you where you can find the link to tasks in your GanttPro projects in 2026, for example, to share these with your team members or to invite them to specific tasks or to remind them of working on the given task. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your project. Let me select one here. Let me go with this one. And next pick your task from one of these views here. We go with that one here. That task has been marked as already done, but anyways, let us use that as an example. Double click into it to open up that menu here to the right. And what you want to do next, guys, is simply click into that button in the top right. And there you go, the task link has been copied. Now it will be copied to your clipboard. So let me show you an example. If I click into that comment section here and press Ctrl V, the task link will be pasted so that you can invite your team members, for example, I don't know, via direct messaging services or emails to the given task. Now let me remove that and also the link. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.